In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI for SEO in 2026. Yeah, if you want to rank higher on Google, get more traffic, and create optimized content faster, this tool can seriously improve your workflow because honestly, it combines AI answers with real search insights. So first, start with keyword research. Ask questions like best keywords for digital marketing 2026 or low competition blog topics. And Perplexity will give you ideas along with context and sources, helping you understand search intent better. Next, analyze search intent. Yeah, instead of guessing, you can ask Perplexity what users are actually looking for behind a keyword, whether it's informational, transactional, or navigational, which helps you create more targeted content. After that, generate SEO-friendly outlines. Uh, Ask for blog structures with headings and subheadings, so your content is well organized and optimized for readability and ranking. Also, create optimized content. Yeah, you can expand each section with detailed explanations, examples, and relevant keywords, making your content both useful for readers and search engines. And yeah, check competitors and trends. So ask Perplexity about trending topics or competitor strategies to stay ahead and create content that stands out in your niche. Finally, verify and improve. Most of the time, checking sources and refining your content ensures accuracy and quality, which are key factors for SEO success in 2026. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next